As we are studying about this, the phylum, some arthropoda, and some arthropoda here is we will study also arthropoda. In arthropoda, so we will study the details, structures, and its functions and the comparisons, characteristic features, and so comparing up comparing up this phylum to the other phylum. Also, that was as a previously studied, and as we had studied a lot phylums previous YouTube channels, and now we will study start here with the largest group of the phylums, that is said to be the arthropoda. In one by one, so we will discuss about the arthropodas, and we will try to understand that. So, what is differences between other phylums and this, and what is similarity in this, and which structures is well advanced and which is rudimentary forms, and so what is the importance of these phylums, and where that it exists, it covers its appearance, habitats, and environmental conditions to for their survivals, and many more knowledge about its and the characteristics of the external and internally we will discuss here, so that we can say achieve more and more sufficient knowledge, and achieve success, and aggregate good and aggregate more and more marks in the coming examinations are qualified and make our career well. So here we will study at a start. Here's the phylums that is set with that. This is phylum. Phylum. This is phylum Arthropoda. 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 This is the phylum Arthropoda. Now we will discuss about the characters of the characters of the Arthropoda. What is characters? Suppose that these are the characteristic features. This is the largest group of the phylums. The Arthropoda is the largest group of the phylums that covers covers the animals and found on whole earth. Cover animal and found on whole earth, and these animals are having triploblastic bilateral segmentations. These phylums animals are triploblastics bilateral segmented animals and it is it's a body differentiate into body. So body differentiate into head, thorax, and abdomen. And animals have compound eyes. And compound eyes animals which have compound eyes, and also body is chitinous exoskeleton. Body is chitinous exoskeletal containing. Okay, body is chitinous exoskeleton containing tough skeletons, light weight and tough segmentations. Light weight and tough. Light weight and tough. Lightweight and the segmentations of these animals are Somites usually bear literal and segmentations of animals usually bears somites of these animals and body has completely designed with open types of coelomic cavities available here. Coelomic cavity full filled with hemo hemocoeloms means open blood circulatory systems present in it, and that is why open system of blood circulations are found here, and these animals are generally closed vascular systems is not available here, means that the blood flow does not flow in the vessels. For example musca domestica, that is house flies, that is prawns, polymons are prawns, scorpions, and scorpions, cockroach, and also scorpion, cockroach, and polymon or prawns is available here in this, and also there are a lot of animals included in it. We will strictly differentiate each animals, and so that we can understood it one by one. Here we will try to give the graphical representations of these animals one by one, so that you can understand it well. Here is the first structures we are going to draw here. First structures is there, and it's a very important structure. So you see this is the structures of the Periplaneta americana. If you see these structures, you will understand that which way these animals are belong to, and where does it differentiate in other part also, and these animals can be differentiated one by one, so that you can understand it well, and one by one differentiations of these animals can be said, that so that you can understood it well, and one by one here is the animals that can be seen. These are the animals that is found here, and we will see also such animals that belong to here, and body is well defined, well designed, and minored ways, so that's you will see this is the structures of the Periplaneta americana, that is called cockroach. And if you see these structures of the cockroach, you will automatically understood and these phylums one by one, and one by one. Here is the antenna that we can see it's clearly. This is the antennal parts, and the body is also can be differentiate in different part of the appendages. This is the appendages of these animals that actually belong to and another also have sub appendages that can be seen here. So this is the structure of the periplanet americana, means that cockroach. And another structures we will draw here is the musca domestica. This is the musca domestica structures. We will show you. Also the musca domestica is the structures of these animals. It is also set with the house flies. And if we see these housefly, we will see that there are uh, difference differences there are differences of the musca domestica, differences of the musca domestica. And differences is here, so we can see it's clearly the differences is here. And finally if we draw these structures, we can see this like this. And this is the wings of musca domestica. We will see it clearly. This is the wings of musca domestica. And here is the structural features. We will draw here the structural features in which musca domestica can be seen clearly. And others leg structures can be seen here inside. And if we see, this is the leg structures of musca domestica that you can draw here. And can understood it clearly, these are the structures of musca domestica. And I hope that one by one you will try to understood its other part also. This is the jointed segmented part of the musca domestica. This is the segmented part of musca domestica. And another, so one legs is also one pair of legs. You can see here, also originates. You can watch it clearly. And finally if you see this part is completely covered with tools. These are the flies, and these are the flies as we can see. And draw here as one by ones, and try to draw another part also. But first of all, so we will draw here to understood it well. And also can be draw here. And these are the structures of the housefly. And if we see these structures, we will see that these are the structures of housefly. These are the structures of housefly. And now further we will draw another structures also with the help of the diagrammatic representations is here musca domestica. And if we draw here another structures, we will see that these are the structures of the other animals. That is if we draw, see that there are the structural features of the other animal, that is called scorpion. We will see here scorpions. And we will see here, this is the scorpions. This is the scorpions. And these are the scorpions. It's the other parts we are going to draw here, so that you can understand it well. Scorpions. And If we draw scorpions one by one, we will see that there are these structures, and in these structures we will see here 1 2 3 4 5, and here 1 2 3 4 5, and meet each part. You will see this is the structural features of the animals, and if we see these are the last portions, and then segmentations are found in his other part also. And if we see here from here, so we will see that so there are large mm, group of part of others, other part is also available here. We will see and can clear it. Watch this. These are the structures, and also we will draw here 3 4 and 1 2 3 4, and you will see that these are the other integument parts, and these are the structures of them. We will see that so these are the structures, and the structures can be seen just like that. So, here is the structures of the scorpions, and now we will discuss and draw here the another part of the musca domestica, that is said to be the structural features and point of views, and one by one so we will try to discuss here so that we can understood it well. So okay, so here is the another structures of the so figures of the another animals, so that is said to be the palaemonas or prawns, and this is the scorpion. This is musca domestica, musca, that is housefly, and this is the periplaneta americana, periplaneta americana, that is cockroach. Here is the structure, that is said to be the compound eye, antenna, and also abdomen, head, thorax, abdomen, inner cerci, wing, and these are the wings, and here is the appendages, body segmentation just like that. So you will also parapodia, you will see that it's an antenna, and also we can say that that pedipalp is available here, and it's abdominal parts, and this is the appendages. Head is here, thorax is here, thorax, and abdomen is here, abdomen. Okay, one by one so we have discussed here the structures and the different structures and the features of the animals, so that we can describe here so all the part of the animals. Here is the all part of the animals. So if we draw another animals, we will see that so these animals are also can be seen, and can understood it well, can understood it well, so that's here is the structures of Phylum or France, and if we are going to draw here, this is the structures of the Phylum or France. Here is the structures of Phylum or France. We will see that, and the two parts is here. If we see from here, so we will find that there are structural features that can be drawn here, and these are the structural features of the Phylum or France. And if we see that these are the legs, and also here is the legs, and Other part is also available here. These are the polygonous France and the structural features we have drawn here. So carapace is available here, and antennae is here. This is antennae and this is carapace, and this is eyes, and this is the this is appendages. Okay, these are the structural parameters of prawns. Okay, thank you very much for coming on channel. Once again, I'm want to give you my warm welcome so that you can understood it well, sir. And I hope that you will better understand some one structures, one by one structures. Here is the structures we have drawn here, sir, and I hope that you will certainly understood the each structures and its figures, so that you can also design and define each structure. These are the polygonous or France structures, and I hope that these structures can be seen, and I have drawn here so that you can clearly understood. This is Musca domestica, and it's a scorpion is very important important in this phylums as a structural point of view, and we have discussed here so one by one so that you can clearly understood it's well designed, well forms, and well mannered each and every part of the animals we are going to design here and showing you so that you can understood it's well, and define it and gain the good marks in the coming examinations and the upcoming examinations. So I hope that you are certainly understood each part of the animals and its structures, and so that you can recognize it. Thank you very much. Okay, bye bye.